kami ngayon. Pupunta kaming makiki-Beyblade. Kasama ko ang pinsan naming si Richard,
Sir.
si Lawrence, si Joms, at si Lucio. Ayan. Kaming lima ay magbabanggaan. Pero tingnan natin kung pala rin. Yan. Okay, see you St. Louis. Okay, bye bye. Babalik.
Ano ka rin kaya?
Maluwang yan.
Yung sakot nila hanggang sa may malapit sa tulay. Wala?
Dito na kami sa San Fernando. Malapit na kami sa St. Louis. Yan, dun kasi ang kwan. Dun ang arena ng Beyblade ngayon. Yan. Excited na rin mga kasama ko. Yan. Excited na rin si Lucio. Ito, ewan ko kung kwan. Parang semi-excited eh.
Nag-ano yan? Nag-triceps yan kahapon.
Ay, nag-triceps. Ngayon pala.
Lalakas yan.
Oh, malakas yung mga kasama namin ngayon ah. Sabihin natin, nandito si Kwan, nandito si Gohan. Gohan at saka si, sino na yun? Yung kapatid niya? Yung maliit? Oh, Bonex. Nandito na rin si Trunks. Kaya ako naman si Piccolo. Yan. Ewan ko kung anong Kwan ni Richard. Si Richard, Vegeta.
Kaya, hindi ako mataas ka tayo kasi hindi ako mataas sa airline.
Yan, malapit na
Ako si
kami.
Krillin.
Pero ngayon, kakain muna kami bago kami papasok. Kasi
Ano, mag-drive-thru na tayo?
drive-thru na tayo. Sige, mamaya ulit. Bye-bye.
Hindi yung pasok. Ikaw lang mag-isa nun? Hindi, dalawa ka. Sorry.
Hey! Kakain na kami. Kaya na lang namin yung fries.
Dito ba, Lawrence? Oo. Kuya, Vincent, good morning. Saan po yung Beyblade tournament po? Para sa Beyblade tournament. Sa elementary na Elementary. Saan ka dito man, Kuya? Dito lang.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay guys, dito na kami. Pwede lang kami ng gamit.
Saan yun po? Sige.
May kumakain.
Huli pero di kulong.
Oo, nahuli pero di kulong.
Klase pa ako.
Sige pa. Ito yata yung tubig ko, Richard ah. Kunin ko na.
Ayo.
Hindi tayo ng fries kay Lucio.
May nag-cutting guys. Makita mo nag-cutting. Guidance office. Diretso.
College.
Yan, punta daw kami sa high school. Saan ang high school dito, Lawrence? High school ba? Elementary?
Doon sa dulo ko yan. College to sa harap eh.
Beyblade. Dadayo. Para Beyblade.
Ito, dadayo.
Dadayo kami.
Ito ang pasimuno eh. Ito ang pasimuno. Pasimuno sa lahat.
Matanda.
Siya yung pinakamatanda. Hindi pinakabata ako eh.
Lawrence, guide Ayun, si Janjo.
Nawawala ka ba?
Oo, nawawala. Nakarating lang namin eh. Yun. Natin natin.
May tropa na tayo. Let's go.
Beyblade ko pala yung
Hindi dire-diretso mo tabi.
Anong room daw?
Sige, pasok ka na. Yun. kasama na natin. Mas...
What's your name?
I'm your Randy. Excited si Logio. Excited na excited, no?
Ayun, register mo na.
Chard, TikTok mo nga. TikTok mo.
Yung?
TikTok. Save panoorin niya yung kanya.
Ay, sige.
Yung vlog natin naman. Ready na. Kay Richard naman.
May babalan pa. Ayun na yung booking mo. Oh, pero quick. Dapat quick to ah. Quick? Mga wow. Sa number 2. Asan yung quick? Huwag nyo na bibigay sa full power. Panghuli pa. Hindi. Alam mo. Ano ba yan? Ang sarap eh. Ay mo. Fred, malalaman mo na lang kung alam mo yan.
Malay natin ba kayo parapel? Parapel yun.
Anyway, the Onion Bladers. Ngayon, ingat, pakilala ko muna yung mga judges natin. First, meron tayo si Angelo Shadolfo for Judge 4. Payas na. Okay, table 1 po, ay table 3. Judge po, table 2 judge. Range and level niya po dito. Okay, and table 1 judge. Lolo, break. Go for class. Grabe ka sa akin, ha? Okay, and everyone is aware of the scoring system, right? Okay, now, meron tayong early launch, that is considered as warning. So you only get 2 warnings per Beyblade. If you get 2 warnings, automatic 1 point to your opponent. Okay? Now, kung sakali naman na yung Beyblade nyo ay pumansik dito, it's considered as no point. Okay? Launch po tayo, huwag po natin ugalingin na nakaganito po yung ulo natin sa my stadium. Okay? And be safe. Tapos, rewards. Awards po natin. The champion. Black Cobalt. First runner-up. Buo po na Dragon Ball. Okay, now for the Bird King, meron tayo dito sealed na random spell. Okay? And then for the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, meron po tayo snake draft kung sino ang pinakamataas na place. That is third place. Siya po nang mamili kung ano gusto niya dito. Okay? Followed by the fourth place, third place, and hanggang eighth place po. Okay? Tapos, ang Bird King po, ang price niya ang Bird King po ay siya po yung pinakakunti ang wings. Okay? Ang price niya po ay launcher. Okay. Okay, so ako po si Jelmark. Let the games begin.
One step at a time, no matter how long it takes. I will make the climb, learn from the mistakes I've made. When times are looking tough, I will be looking up to you. I found a better life, that'll be the one that I choose. I need answers, nobody seems to know. Sticks and stones will never break these bones. One step at a time, no matter how long it takes. I will make the climb, learn from the mistakes I've made. And I'll prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it to you. Prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it without a doubt. One chance, so I can prove to you. It's time to realize, see the world with open eyes. Oh. And I will never stop, even when I reach the top. I need answers, nobody seems to know. No one seems to know. Sticks and stones will never break these bones. One step at a time, no matter how long it takes. I will make the climb, learn from the mistakes I've made. And I'll prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it to you. Prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it without a doubt. One chance, so I can prove to you. I might bend, but I'm not gonna break no more. Might be tired, but I'm not about to give up, no. I might bend, but I'm not gonna break no more. No sticks and no stones. And I'll prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it to you. Prove it to you, prove it to you, prove without a doubt. Give me the one chance, so I can prove to you. So I can prove to you. No matter how long it takes. One step at a time. I will make the climb, learn from the mistakes I've made. And I'll prove it to you, prove it to you, prove it to you. So I can prove to you